A very good morning, dear students. So today myself, Mrs. Charan, is here with you all to teach EVS. So children, till now we have done up to lesson number 8, My Safety. Hope you all have understood. Though we have to start lesson 9, but before that, test paper 1 is given, just for the sake of revision of the previous lessons that we have done. So children, today take out with me page number 43. Let's do this revision exercises of test paper 1. Okay, page 43. A. Answer in yes or no. Number 1. We have 5 sense organs. Yes, we have how many sense organs? 5. 2. We should wear only clean clothes. Okay. Yes, in order to remain healthy, what we have to do? Only clean clothes we have to wear. Number 3. Tent is a strong built house. Strong tent is not a, we have to write no here, because tent, people can fold tent and carry them anywhere. Tents, they are very easy to put up, so they are not, you will write here no. 4. We should brush our teeth once in a day. No, we should brush 2 times in a day, morning and night, so you will write here no. 5th, a family having parents and 2 children is a small family. Yes. And one thing, children, small family is also called a nuclear family. B. Answer in a one word only. Number 1. Name of a kacha house. You can write hut, H-U-T, hut. 2. Name of a cloth we wear on our head in winter. Okay. It is cap, C-A-P, cap. Then name of a vehicle, any vehicle. Okay, so car, C-A-R-I, wrote car. 4. Name of a sense organ that is used for taste. Now there are 5 sense organ: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin. So tongue is the sense organ that we use to taste food. Number 5. Name of a sharp object, any sharp object. We have studied now. Sharp object that we should not play with it. You can write any one. Knife, I wrote knife, K-N-I-F-E. Now come to C. Here it is written, children, make any one project from the following topics. There are 4 topics given, and out of the 4 you have to do only one topic. So you can do topic 1, that is, I have taken different types of houses, paste pictures. Now this question you have to do it in your copy. Okay, A, B you can do it in book, but question number part C you will do it in your copy. You will write today's date, classwork, and you have to only paste pictures. Now pictures of different types of houses, different types of, as we have studied, kacha house, pakka house, temporary houses. Okay, so you have to paste pictures of different types of houses in this question. Okay children, so today only the test paper 1 we have done. We have discussed few questions that we have done in our previous lesson. So tomorrow again we all will be meeting, and then tomorrow we will going to start new lesson. Okay children, so till then children, goodbye, take care.